Negativity like a fast spreading disease. Fast spreading disease, it spreads like anything. It spoils the environment around you. It makes you hopelessness. It makes you distracted. It creates an act of unlawfulness. And at the end of the day, you will feel hopeless. The major resultant of the negativity, ladies and gentlemen, number one is the sadness, depression, hopelessness, fear. These all the things are the resultant of the negativity. In order to counter this negativity, you cannot avoid the negativity. In order to counter this negativity, you should practice your strengths. You always focus on your strengths. Second thing is that practice gratitude. We discussed little while ago. And release your judgments about the people. Always we try to make judgments about the people. Release the judgment about the people. Release the discontent. Release the self-destroying behaviors. And attack the negativity whenever possible. Right? So, no matter how positive you are, negative people always try to affect your positivity. Always try to affect your positivity. The biggest deterrent of success, what we encountered is toxic people. You know what toxic people are? They don't have anything else, they accept those bad habits, negativity, positivity zero. They always affect your success, these toxic people. You should be very careful about these toxic people, ladies and gentlemen. Life will be very, very difficult and makes you difficult if you have such kind of negativity in you or in and around your people. Right? So in our work environment, sometimes you will have many negative people. What we should do in that case, ladies and gentlemen, try to have a mentor. Try to have a mentor who is more wiser than you, who knows the world much better than you, and who can guide you, who can coach you, you can protect your positivity from the negativity. However, in our professional life, some people we cannot avoid. Some people we cannot avoid. Those people are our bosses, our subordinates, our colleagues. These people will be always there, but definitely these people affect your positivity. But there are proven methods and ways to protect yourself from these guys, even if you are working for 12 hours a day. Of course, we every day work for 12 hours a day. There are methods, we will discuss separately that one. So you have to learn how to protect yourself from these people. Suppose if you are not happy in your job, you know that you are not happy. And once you acknowledge that you are not happy, what you do? You try to correct yourself and try to have all those things which makes you happy. Right? In order to do that, ladies and gentlemen, the most important secret is that close your ears to negative people. Close your ears to negative people. Be focused on what you wanted to do and try to move forward in that direction. Don't listen to the negative people. But the question comes, how do you know that fellow is negative or positive? The question is that, so if you are positive, you can easily identify the negative people. The positivity has got that much of power, isn't it? But the positivity is a scared commodity nowadays. Right? If you are positive, you can easily identify who is what. Surrounded by good people who can help you, in growing up. So try to avoid the negative people intentionally. Even if you become unpopular, that doesn't matter. Right? You should protect yourself from the negativity, ladies and gentlemen.